What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play It's Me by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar and a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video so you can figure out how to enter, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is pretty simple. It's in standard tuning. I will show you the chords for the song as well as a little picking part that I believe is mostly right. It definitely has all the right notes in it. I kind of gave it my own little flair. The thing about this song is the sample, the guitar is actually from Flyleaf's song All Around Me. It's their acoustic version of it. And what they did is they slowed it down and pitched it down an entire step. So I used that song as reference and the song by Peep to try and find out what the actual picking part was. The chords are right 100%. The picking part, like I said, is very, very close. I put my own little spin on it, but it might not be 100% accurate, but it sounds good and it goes with the song. We'll start with the chords. Again, if you need any help with chord diagrams, I do have a free ebook in the description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It does have all of these chord diagrams in it. Your first chord is going to be an E minor. It's going to be your index finger, 2nd fret A string, middle finger, 2nd fret D string, and then you're going to put your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your B string and your pinky finger on your 3rd fret on your E string. Your next chord's a D. Leave your middle finger where it is on the 3rd fret on the D string. Put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the E string, and then your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Again, leave your middle finger where it is. This is your final chord. Put your pinky finger back on the 3rd fret on the E string. Middle finger, 3rd fret A string, and index finger, 2nd fret D string. So first chord, 2nd chord, 3rd chord. Now the strumming pattern I use for this is a down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Now you can just play those 3 chords that exact same way throughout the entire song. It's just a continuous loop. I will show you a little picking pattern that kind of goes along with it. Like I said, not sure if it's 100% right, but it's very close and it does sound good with it. A tab for this will be in the description, so if you need help, if looking at tabs is easier for you, check the description after the video. It will be there for you. You're starting out with your middle finger or your ring finger on the 7th fret of your A string, index finger on the 5th fret of your D string, and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of your G string. Now what you're doing here is you're going to pick your A string and your D string, and then your A string again, and then your G string. And just a 1, 2, 3, 4. So A, D, A, G. Then you're picking that 5th fret on your D string, then go down to the 4th fret, pick that, and then middle finger on your 5th fret of your A string. So altogether that looks like. Then you're picking, you're going to go to another chord right here, so leave your middle finger right there on the 5th fret of the A string. Index finger should still be on the 4th fret of your D string, and then add that pinky back to the 7th fret of your G string. And once you go from here, you're picking your D string again, and then your G string again, and then your D string again. So it looks like this all together. So again, that's A, D, G, D. And then from there, all you're doing is picking that G string again. And then you're gonna hold down your D and your G string on the 5th fret with your index finger and just pick your D string and then your G string. So that's the first half of the picking part. I'll play through it one more time slowly. Looks like this. Now that's the first half. The second half starts out the exact same way. You're going through this entire part here. Now when you get here, move this entire formation down 2 frets till your middle finger is on the 3rd fret of your A string, your index finger is on the 2nd fret of your D string, and your pinky finger is on the 5th fret of your G string. And from there you're picking A, D, G, A, G. So again, that's A, D, G, A, G. So altogether that second part looks like this. So I'm going to play through the whole thing slowly now, and if it helps you, just watch this part over and over again. It can be a little tricky at first. Like I said, if you need the tabs, they are in the description. I'm going to play through the whole thing slowly, so watch this as many times as you need to get it down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.